Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more presets. They'll be in the description below, and they're free as usual. These are in effect again. I've been kind of on a roll of making these screens. Last one I put out was called SDS Dual Screen Showcase. This one is SDS Dual Viewer Showcase. Kind of run out of names, to be honest with you. So don't mistake it and think you already have this. The other ones were not animated. These ones open and close. The other ones were static. The way they go on is 01 left goes on the top, 01 right goes on the bottom, and so on. This is just a generator underneath it. So they're transparent. You can put anything you want underneath it. There's 3 sets, 2 per set. They're labeled. These should work up to 60 FPS. I recommend trying to use the same frame rate on both tracks. If you click on it, go to the inspector. If you don't see your inspector, select effects. Open the controls. You can align your video or picture if you want to use an image. And zoom in, corner radius, border thickness, and color the border. And you can also flip it. Like I said, they'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.